Hello everyone. The topic for our assignment is listening, speaking, reading and writing skills. The content we have chosen is poem. Now let us see what is LSRW. Listening. Listening is giving attention to one sound. Speaking. Speaking is delivery of language. Reading. Reading is making meaning from print. And finally, writing. Writing is an activity or skill of writing. As I read the poem, the students listen. My favorite festival. The bells of Christmas Day, familiar carols play. A time for love and fun, reciprocate gifts to have fun. On Christmas Eve, the other night, I saw an amazing image bright. On the Christmas tree, jingle bells sparkle and bells seems delightful. Procedure for teaching the poem. Firstly, I will introduce the poem. I will tell the background of the poem. I will give introduction about the author, recite the poem. I will encourage students to learn, make students memorize. I will draw a mind map. I will consolidate the poem. Again, I will teach the poem. Remedial, I will ask for queries and evaluation. I will ask questions from the lesson. Now let us see listening. Few activities to make students listen to poem are: write the poem with a photograph. I'll make them stand and listen. I'll sing the poem and I'll dance along while singing. And role play. Students take the role of the narrator and author in the poem and do and role play. Next, speaking. Few activities to make students speak are: I'll tell students to dictate new words from the poem and they must build words. They should perform a skit from the poem. Students discuss the poem in pairs and students must stand up in front of the class and talk about the poem. Let us move on to reading. Few activities to make students read are: number 1, make them read vocabulary from the poem. Number 2, display letters and new word in a chart and make them read aloud. Number 3, word search, that is bingo, and they must repeat the word. Number 4, read poem aloud all together. And finally, let us move on to writing. Few activities to make students write are: students should create a framework, that is mind map, for writing. And then number 2, students should write the fashion statements. Number 3, students should write new words in the chalkboard. And number 4, story chains. Students should write the plot of the poem. And finally, evaluation. I will ask few questions to the students. That is, number 1, what is the title of the poem? Who is the author? What is the background and what do you understand from the poem?
Now, we are going to see about listening, speaking, reading and writing. Listening skills. Listening is a process of receiving, interpreting and reacting to a message from the speaker. No communication process is complete without listening. What is listening? Listening is not just about being quiet while someone else is speaking. Listening is a process of receiving, constructing meaning from, and responding to spoken and or non-verbal messages. Listening is an active process. Why listening is important? To avoid communication errors, helps to learn something new. It is a key to success. These are the types of active listening: hearing content, neutral technique, self awareness, summarizing. There are types of active listening: sensing, evaluating, and responding. We can observe the listener by these types by looking, feelings, and sounds by them. Now, speaking skills. Four types of speaking skills. It is the action of conveying information or expressing one's thoughts and feelings in spoken language. What is speaking? Conveying information verbally, expression of thoughts, expression of feelings, expression of ideas. What are speaking skills? Ability to convey one message, ability to express oneself clearly, ability to express one idea, ability to give one opinion. Now, we say about reading. What is reading? Reading is a process of looking at a series of written symbols and getting meaning from them. How do people read? Skimming, scanning, intensive reading, and extensive reading. Skills involved in reading comprehension. These are the steps involved in it. Types of reading: scanning, skimming, study reading, unfamiliar terminology. These are the tips to improving reading skills. These are the reading skills in academic purposes. Now, writing skills. Writing skills helps a learner gain independence, comprehensibility, fluency, and creativity in writing. It's a definition. These are the kinds of writing skill. These are the types of writing skills involved in it. Writing skills, students are asked to create their own presentation from within. This is the poem I presented. I asked the students to read the poem aloud, and I asked them to identify defined words, and I asked to read a poem aloud again, and I summarized the poem step by step. Then we discussed the poem. Then I asked students for the experiences. Then I asked them to memorize the poem, and at last recite the poem.